Eddie leave street girls. No. Eddie leave dirty girls. No. Now look at what you are scratching. You are scratching your dog as if you are not because of it. Why is this scratch coming with sweet pain now? What's the meaning of this now? This was girls. Should be clean for once. Oh God.
Sikira baby oh, Sikira baby oh, the insurance plug. Infection baby oh, infection baby oh. How about Miss Joe? You get infection again. You're going to bless the gods first. Now show a plug. And they deliver nationwide. Finish out. Sikira baby oh. Sikira baby oh. Infection treater. Sikira baby oh. Sikira don't land. Bobole. Sikira de ya. Customer. Yay! Hey, Bamio. You discuss. What you discuss? This one is infection promise. No cap. Now infection promise they worry you like this.
No, they allow them now.
The thing they scratch like a dirty, they scratch this side. Eh?
No, they allow them. No,
they shout for me, okay? Because now me get your this solution. So just calm down. Make
You're talking too much now. Calm down.
Okay, calm down. Give you his size suit today. His size suit is scratched. Okay, calm down.
You get the medicine. The thing
they
scratch me, and the scratch they come with sweet pain.
They come with sweet pain.
Yes, they pain me.
And this sweetie, he don't carry sweetie. Hey!
No, they allow them.
Hey! I they come.
First you shout about everything.
I get you sweet. Hey! I don't say. You just come to Bright place. Dear. So the suffer the scratch him. Hey. Yeah. Hold on. Hey, infection promise. Hey. It's plenty. If you don't take time now, this your man who don't tell you don't go. No, they squeeze face, they drink my solution, mercy. Now so, the time they shout, you know see first not they come. No, they scratch Sam, No.
I want to be clever.
No. Only one you go take.
Like you said, the scratch they come with sweet pain.
And that's all now.
Give me more.
The time you dey knack, he no sweet you. Why you don't use condom?
Condom they sweet.
He won't go by Nigaro.
You know this.
He won't go by Nigaro.
You know these things.
You don't see the results.
Suppose know these things.
Now 3 times daily. One in the morning, one in the afternoon, one in the evening. If I give you none overdose.
Give me more now.
No.
They scratch me.
Make I keep you the one go carry go.
You know if you use condom, you don't go feel the enjoyment.
Now the enjoyment now don't give you condom. You like this now. See finish. You don't. Hey. No. See now one morning, one afternoon, one for night. So like go cure the this infection promise. So with this your fine motor you dey drive, he get infection. Yeah? You know what I go give you the one to carry go. Hey!
The house is on fire, baby boy. Cooling my temper, I'm on heat. The house is on fire, baby boy. Cooling my temper, I'm on heat. Eddie, one more. Eddie Massacrating, somebody goes somewhere. You know one control yourself at all. Get you go come, you jump, Amuche go come, you jump, get you no go come, you jump, Isaiah go come.
Why am I scratching like this? Why am I scratching like someone that's been infected? What's going on? I'm going to be scratching the whole of the day. To think that I have meeting in a couple of hours. No, I cannot continue like this. I need to go to the pharmacy to get drugs. I can't do this. Hello? Fiza? Please tell the driver to get ready. I'm leaving immediately. Now! Oh my God! What kind of a thing is this? Oh
my. This one ain't good for this your suffering the scratch. No worry, go calm down. This one ain't good for this your infection promas. No worry. Shortest plug, now you come. Yeah, the scratch. No worries, just
the scratch comes with sweet pain.
And that's why they be. When they knock, you know sweet you. The pain goes sweet too. Eh? You get lost say just come meet me, or if not, Otilo, but don't go. No worry. Just drink them. 2,000, no cost.
How go take the drink them?
You go drink them 3 times in a day. 1 in the morning, 1 shot in the morning, 1 shot in the afternoon, 1 shot for night. No take past night, that means no more problem.
1 shot in the morning, 1 shot in the afternoon, 1 shot at night.
Yes.
How much is your money?
2,000 only.
No worry. Collect 5,000. No. Just collect 5,000. Collect 5,000.
Why you no use condom?
You supposed to know these things now. Condom know the sweet.
Okay.
Nah, flesh to flesh with the
flesh
jack
to flesh.
now.
You don't do flesh to flesh. You want to do nigaro. You don't give you flesh disease. Continue.
Our own nation now. I beg where you stay?
Now back of stadium. A popular where if you just reach that stadium, let me say the big Sikira.
Big Sikira.
Sikira, na my name, Omo Yoruba.
Sikira.
Sikira to Omo Yoruba. The plenty one. You know, girl no know me. Let me say the first shop plug. Yes. Thank you. Now so, 5,000. You don't be say infection and bad, I will say more infection. More grace for infection.
You dey mad.
Now
you get more infection.
You can't get knock nigaro. Sikira baby oh. Sikira baby oh. Shortest plug. Hey. Sikira baby oh.
Eddie said like a no He's on heat, sugar get no more. You know get a choice, any size, any Japan. The house is on fire, baby boy. Cooling my temper, I'm on heat. The house is on fire, baby boy. Cooling my temper, I'm on heat. Eddie, one
hello. Hello, good afternoon. Please, I've been scratching. I've been scratching for a long time now, and it's giving me so much discomfort. For how long now? I don't know, for quite some time now. Are you sure it's infection? Infection? Yes. No, ma, it can't be infection. Maybe your house is contaminated or you have contaminated something. No, I built my house myself. My toilet cannot be infected, and I fixed the water. You know what? Can you just give me something to calm me down, please? I have meeting in less than an hour, please. Alright, thank you.
You are going contrary. It wasn't me. You were cheating on me. It wasn't me. I got you with a girl. It wasn't me. I got you red-handed. It wasn't me. You were talking to them on phone. It wasn't me. You were chasing after them. It wasn't me. Why doing this to me? Oh? It wasn't me. It wasn't me. One man's meat is another man's poison. What makes him happy is a different thing together. Share you feel him, share you see him. He's a different man. He's a different man. This life no balance well. This is it. This life no balance well. This is it. His lifestyle is different. This is it. Take it or you leave it. This is it.
You reign with pause. Gonorrhea. Hey, Eddie, you are finished. Look at what I've gotten myself into. The reason I will keep a beautiful wife at home and be running after dirty local girls on the street is one that I don't even understand. Who could have gotten me affected? Onye Billy Moria.
Eddie Kingi, Onye Mbembe. Leisure before business, yeah, la puta go.
I lost it. I told you Eddie, where are you? I told you I am on my way already, so why are you calling? Eddie, we cannot afford to lose this contract. Eddie, where are you? I'm coming now. Trust me, I'm on my way. Shibli, the director is in. Yes. Hey, you see me now.
Eddie, one more.
I told us now I'm on my way. Why are you listening? Why are you
You know one control yourself at all. You go come, you chop, Uche go come, you chop, Echino go come, you chop, Kesaya go come, you chop, Ekente go come, you chop, Yoruba woman, you chop, Wahala, wahala, this na wahala, fire, fire, my waist is on fire, wahala, wahala, this na wahala, fire, fire, my waist is on fire. This na wahala, but my waist is on fire. My waist is on fire. Oh, this na wahala. This na wahala, but my waist is on fire. My waist is on fire. Eddie, you are too hot to handle. If you get a woman, up a ticket to heaven. To leave me alone na wahala. She deride them like a girl. You deride them like moto. Eddie Kingi, Onye Mbembe.
Sweet banana. Sweet banana. Sweet banana.
Sugar cane no more. You don't get to choice here. Any size here, you get chop and cool my temper. Baby boy, cool my temper. I'm on heat, cool my temper. Baby boy, I'm on heat, yeah. Leisure before business, yeah. So we go to your Eddie. He's on heat, yeah. Sugar cane no more. You don't get to choice.
Your sweet banana is here, sir. Sir, sweet banana.
Hello.
Sweet banana.
Sweet banana.
Yes, sweet banana.
Sweet
banana.
Sweet banana, sir.
Sweet banana.
Sweet, very, very, very sweet. Super delicious.
It's like your tongue is scratching.
No, sir. My banana, sir. You want to buy?
How much?
Sir, this one is 2.5. This one is 1.5. Very big. And this one is 700. 700. Really? Ah! My name is Chisom. Yeah, Chisom. Ah! Really?
I will take you somewhere. I will use my tongue to scratch them. I can scratch them on the front. I'll do this after buying.
I don't understand. It's like you don't want to buy.
Calm down now, calm down. And I like when you like it. Okay, thank you. I'll give you 20. Right over. I can scratch.
Thank you. You buy my banana.
Eddie, one member. If I didn't hesitate, somebody else. You know one control yourself. Get you go come, you jump, you go come, you jump, get you go come, you jump, Messiah go come, you jump, go come, you jump,
Oh my goodness. He's so handsome and rich. I didn't even know that I can trust such a man. My God, look at me, Chisom. Hey! I can just wait to have him. Such a fine man.
Chill with the hot laughs. Have anyone told you you're beautiful?
You're the first person saying that to me.
The whole world's mad. They are blind.
So what is your name?
Well, my name is Eddie.
Eddie, really?
Yeah, my friends call me Eddie. It's scratching you.
Yes, it's crushing me.
Can I help you?
Sure.
Hi. Let me scratch it for you.
Scratch it very well. Check it now.
Can I put that inside?
Yes, put. Scratch it very well.
Open it. Just open your life. Oh, damn it. My trousers want to bust like.
No.
Why?
Don't worry. When we get to the hotel, I'll give you hot. But do not forget my 10,000 naira. You must pay me.
I will make it 20.
Oh, shush.
In fact, 30. 40.
Hush.
Baby, you're going home with 50k.
Hush. Oh, yes. Chook it very well. 50k. Hey, chook it. Chook it.
Oh, baby, yo. Look at my trouser. Hey, my trouser won't be bust, so this one don't have sense, so it is swallowing up.
Don't worry, I have
Baby, open it.
it's open now.
Have a hot laps.
Chicken's very well.
What's that?
Eddie, you are too hot to handle. If you get a woman, don't buy ticket to heaven. To leave me alone now, hello. Because you derive them like a car. You derive them like motor. Vroom, vroom. Eddie Kingi, Onyem Bembema. Pleasure before business.
Go.
Come inside now. Come inside. Nice. Oh my goodness. You like what you say?
Yes.
Let me help you.
Let me do one more.
Wait, your phone is ringing. Your phone.
Leave my phone. Pleasure before business.
Come on, just check to know the person who is calling.
Pleasure before business. You hear English?
Baby.
Get the choice, any size, you get your papa. Cooling my temper, baby boy. Cooling my temper, I'm on heat. Cooling my temper, baby boy. I'm on heat. Get this a lack of no fun, it's on heat. sugar cane no
I can't believe I was lost. We have just lost this contract because of Eddie. I can't believe I lost this contract because of Eddie. What has Eddie done? Jesus Christ!
Let's go outside.
Good son of
Let's go outside.
Eddie, what have you done? Eddie, give me email now. What have you done?
I'm sorry, something came. I've but I'm here now. Let's go outside.
Which contract? Eddie, we have lost the contract to our counterpart because of you. All thanks to you, Eddie.
No, now. Listen. He's the director still. Let's go and talk to him. Even if they have given it out, they can retrieve it and give it back to us.
I was sitting with the secretary. I was there for a long time, waiting earnestly for you to come so we can go in and sign that contract. Eddie, what did you do? Eddie, I was calling your phones. Eddie, you refused to take my calls.
This is not time to show bills. I told you something. That's by the way. Let's go and make this happen. Let me talk to them. Let's
Do you realize that we're in a competitive line of business? Do you realize that if we don't show up, another company is going to take it? Oh, thanks to you, they have given the contract to another person. So you go there and tell them what you want to tell them. Nah, man, I'm leaving this place, man.
Listen, you can't just go. There is no harm in trying. Let's try.
Eddie, they have closed. You don't know. Eddie, they've closed already. Why you want to meet? I was calling you, but you're not picking up the call now. I can't believe I fasted for 1 month. I prayed for 1 month for this same contract. Eddie, so that nothing will happen to this contract. Eddie, you can. Eddie, you messed up everything for me. My God.
Eddie, stop. You are going contrary. It wasn't me. You were cheating on me. It wasn't me. I got you with a girl.
Baby.
What? What did you say with this?
I want you to make love to me.
But you made love last night.
Babe, that was last night now. And besides, it was just 2 rounds. Just 2 rounds, oh. And you promised to make it up to me. The reason I left you and slept last night.
So 2 rounds is not enough. 2 rounds is not enough for a night.
Oh, it is not.
Please, I had a special that work. I'm trying to do the things I couldn't do that work. So please, tomorrow.
Babe, the last time I checked, you're married to me. I'm not your wife.
That doesn't mean we should have sex every day. Listen, I know why I'm telling you this. Chill for today.
I'm safe. You should drop this. Just drop this. Yes.
Do this thing tomorrow.
No, I want it now. Give it to me. I want you to make sweet love to me.
I know why I'm saying this. Leave it tomorrow.
That was hurt. I like every bit of it.
You're welcome.
Babe, you're being a second round, yeah?
No, I'm tired. Let's chill a bit.
Come on, babe. Let's be a second right now.
I was busy before you insisted, really. Beg me. Chill, eh? Maybe later.
Alright, that's fine. Let's not forget. How did the contract with you and Dustin go today? The contract you wanted to sign, how did it go?
We lost it.
What?
Yes. The contract was given to another contractor before we got here.
Why now? So after everything you guys invested in this contract, you still do not... I'm pissed right now.
You know Nigeria now, I think the other contractor bribed his way through.
Oh, after all my midnight prayers, it's not like this.
I was so angry.
I pray another one comes.
Eddie, why? Eddie, why? Eddie, you are finished. I must have given my wife gonorrhea. Oh no. So, it's gonorrhea that was crashing her on that day. I'm finished. Eddie, why now?
Pleasure before business, yeah, so we go to your Eddie. He's on heat, yeah. Sugar get no more. He don't get a choice, yeah. Any size, yeah, he get chop a more. Cool my temper, baby boy. Cool my temper, I'm on heat, yeah. Cool my temper, baby boy. I'm on heat, yeah. Eddie said like a no fun, he's on heat, yeah. Sugar get no more. He don't get a choice, yeah. Any size, yeah, he get chop a more. The house is on fire, baby boy. Cool my temper, I'm on heat. The house is on fire, baby boy. Cool my temper, I'm on heat, yeah. Sugar get no more. He don't get a choice, yeah. Any size, yeah, he get chop a more. Cool my temper, baby boy. Cool my temper, I'm on heat, yeah. Cool my temper, baby boy. I'm on heat, yeah. Pleasure before business, yeah. So we go to your Eddie. He's on heat, yeah. Sugar get no more. He don't get a choice, yeah. Any size, yeah, he get chop a more. Cool my temper, baby boy. Cool my temper, I'm on heat, yeah. Cool my temper, baby boy. I'm on heat, yeah. Eddie said like a no fun, he's on heat, yeah. Sugar get no more. He don't get a choice, yeah. Any size, yeah, he get chop a more. The house is on fire, baby boy. Cool my temper, I'm on heat. The house is on fire, baby boy. Cool my temper, I'm on heat, yeah. Eddie, one more. If I didn't get in a subway, you know one control yourself at all. In Ketchy go come, you chop. Amuche go come, you chop. Ejiro go come, you chop. Kesaya go come, you chop. Ekaite go come, you chop. Even Yoruba woman, you chop. Wahala. This na wahala. Fire. My waist is on fire. Wahala. This na wahala. Fire. My waist is on fire. Any house wahala. This na wahala. But my waist is on fire. My waist is on fire. Oh, this na wahala. This na wahala. But my waist is on fire. My waist is on fire. Eddie, you are too hot to handle. If you get a woman, upper ticket to heaven.
This one Oga come back, they dance skelewu. What's happen? Go like this. I be Oga don't carry fashion. That's way hope for her be like all those jedi.
Eddie Kingi, Onyembembemo. Leisure before business, yeah, Raputagogio. He's on heat, yeah. Sugar get no more. He don't get it.
A big girl, fine girl, sexy girl. Without begin, that's fine. Coca-Cola bottle shape. You too fine, come on. See, if you land there, you there for sight. I will tell you.
Clement, I have warned you to stop praising me. Before you know it now, you start saying rubbish.
Relax. Is it bad for me to appreciate the handwork of God? Look at it. Coca-Cola bottle shape. Is it wrong for me to appreciate it?
Stop it. I don't like it.
Jabi, stop it. Stop it.
See, I want to talk something.
What's that?
You think don't bother me since? See, Oga and Madam, they never born. This is 2 years. What did happen for this house?
I take your business.
Why you not going to be my business? See, I am not only security of this house, but I be consigned security man. See, I tell you something. My sister, we married 3 years ago. She got 3 children. 2 boys, 1 girl. I wonder what did they happen for here? Not even miscarriage, even ordinary half baby, they never born. What's going on in this house?
Clement, you see the way I'm looking at you. You are a very stupid boy.
Wait, I know God accept my insult. This is called just a mutual conversation. What you call the big insult for this matter now? Huh? Why they insult me now? I'm only a consigned gate man, and you are bringing insult inside this brother. No, I don't need that more.
I said what I said. You are a very stupid boy. You're not a marry. Eh? Did they forbid you to marry?
See my best something, man. As you see me so, I'm a sweet 16. Fine boy. I see small. I never no mind me. I'm sweet 16. Now they see so sweet 16. Sweet 16. You check that.
You be sweet 16. With all this beer through your face. Not be grey hair they see for there.
Oh no. See, if you tell me that, say see that they feel me. They feel guy man. See, forget this beer where they see so. Even this grey hair. Now from birth. Now God's gift. Now too much sense where God give me. Now make the grey they come outside. So forget that side where they go. They feel me. So if you tell me say they like me too.
Come and see me.
See, this hair grey where they see so now. Forget that way they listen. Yeah. See, as you don't they like me now. With the wrong things. I'm gonna go know. Maybe at one from this time one can give me food. Father, welcome. What's the apple here? Oh boy. What's the apple? Madam just the scratch. What's the go on?
Why no answer that time when she come down? Why no answer?
The idiot.
You no go to the post.
The idiot.
You no go do your work.
I think that they talk to some person who gets sense. The idiot. I think that they talk to human beings. I think that they talk to human beings. They are in the area. I think that they talk to human beings. Idiot. But wait, though. Oga, come back. They scratch. Madam say come back now. See they scratch. That means say infection don't they involve. But wait, though. Madam, where I know she know they do kurikuri waka. Even Oga. So my question now be say, who can't give each other infection? Madam, scratch. Oga, scratch. Let's say they don't get infection. Is either Madam give Oga infection or Oga give Madam infection. But one thing I know is that infection is involved.
You don't get the choice. Any size, you get chop more. Cool my temper, baby boy. Cool my temper, I'm on heat. Cool my temper, baby boy. I'm on heat.
Fikira baby oh, Fikira to baby, Fikira baby oh, Fikira baby oh. Infection treater. Gbogbo Fikira baby don't come oh. All the infection here, I don't dare here. Oga say you don't buy infection massive. Sure. Oh, this keke person must get infection. Customer. You go buy infection medicine.
This dey worry me. How we go do am now? Hope you make person quick.
You go everything. Sandy buy. Well. Oh baby, if you want me to holla, oh baby for you. You go buy.
I beg.
Customer.
Hope next time you go cook for me.
Customer.
Which one are you doing now?
1 cup na 200.
200 for 1 cup.
You see this one?
Okay, man.
If you drink this one finish, you claim you a woman.
Let me keep.
You better think, I want more of you. Baby,
Blessed. Did you see? I dey come again.
I said
My brother dey come.
Now so.
Thank you, madam.
Customer.
We go see again.
Customer.
Right now.
Make sure you drink am.
I go drink am like this now.
Well, before you start the work.
Tonight I go give
You
you
go
the
the hammer. You go the hammer.
Tonight I go
You go the hammer.
I go record am.
If you see the guy, if you get the text, if you text for me.
No wahala.
Yes.
Alright, now.
Customer. So live long.
Amen.
Tonight. Destroy the womb. Today go destroy the womb. First people. And they say woman type. Infection. Hey, the guy they go call night, get infection.
I need you to tell me explicit why I should be scratching this way.
What are you talking about?
What I'm trying to say is that you got me infected.
No, I did not.
You did not. You did not. So how do we explain this? This thing you just did now, how do you explain it?
Just a scratch. Had someone scratch again?
Just a scratch.
It's a normal scratch.
So, just look at the way you're scratching. It's the same way I'm scratching and you call it a normal scratch.
It's normal, okay?
Oh, please cut off that crap. You must have been sleeping with some faceless idiots and then you come back here to infect me with it.
I said I am not sleeping with. Listen, Sharon, I'm not cheating on you, okay? I have no reason to cheat on you. You're beautiful, you're classy, you're on point. I mean, you're a paragon of beauty, so I don't get it.
Eddie, you
cannot cheat.
You can't tell me that. I mean, you're sure that you are cheating on me. You are cheating on me, so stop lying. Who knows if this cheating of yours is because of our childlessness?
What? So because of ordinary scratch, you want to say that I'm the reason we've been childless for 2 years?
Yes.
It's not that deep, Sharon. Stop.
Eddie, I'm asking you again. Are you cheating on me? Yes or no?
No.
Eddie, you cannot tell me that. I know you're cheating on me for sure. You're lying. Just say it. You're cheating.
Listen, buy a diploma the job. To play. It's nothing serious. But trust me, I'm not cheating on you. Please. It's a scratch. Simple.
It's a scratch. It's a scratch, eh? I see the baby are scratching like people that.
Baby, oh. Waka fast. Customer. I meet this man last week. Hey. Don't come back. I don't come. I'll give you 1 hour. I'll keep you waiting. Then I use they go knock person. How many years today? Give me 1 hot. So don't they go and say what else? Give me 1 hot now. Give me 1 time. Now this place I come to here. Look at me. That is more like this now. This is a small window. Don't they stand and they go and say what else? Yeah. What did they do all for here? See this small boy, you? Eh? This small boy, whatever what in your finish. This thing is here now. Now you walk out and go outside.
I believe, give me a manpower. I need manpower.
Ah, you too. What did they want all for here? You know what here?
You know they should say this weather, say you go work for the time, so give me manpower and make I go do myself. And like this man, I don't know.
All of them, when they go let Naki rest.
Naki not play with them.
As soon as I say, no, go vacation.
Now let Reverend Father, and I know they play with Naki. As far as you not be Reverend Father, you're not supposed to play with Naki.
Give my money.
You're supposed to say money not be problem now.
You are not talking. As all of them are talk, say, Obo no go feed, Obo no go vacation.
It's an original one. Go away.
You know that today, I see one fine man. He just say one big car. Down. He just drive the down. Now go there, you see as the man just start. If he just start, he go matter like this, he go splatter. He go matter. Let me small. He just go and war. I say this one is going to promise to. He's best shop romance.
Oh wow, that's not best lady.
And the man, why they say my married man, no? I don't say that time I do. You know, to me, I know everything. My head is correct. Like this guy, go hard, go keep his wife gonorrhea. That's why he just scratch. He just this thing. He just go like he go try to scratch out.
Anyway, that one not for me. I need to go meet my woman. My woman there has to wait for me.
Happy nothing. Today not today. Baby not today.
Eddie, Sharon.
Yes, ma'am.
I called you two down here because I heard voices. And it's obvious to me that you two were engaged in a heated argument. So I want to know, what was the argument all about?
Mom, it's nothing serious. Just couples legal drama.
Liar. Mom, he's lying.
Listen, I might tolerate everything from you, but not calling me a liar to my face.
What is going on, Sharon?
Mom, what your son has done to me, I will never forgive him for that.
Sharon, what did my son do that you cannot be able to forgive?
Mom, he infected me with STD.
What? Eddie, don't tell me that you go out there messing up when you have such a beautiful wife at home. You're cheating on your wife or something. I don't understand.
Mom,
yes.
Did you just believe her hook, line and sinker? I'm disappointed in you, Mom. Come on.
Eddie, you got me infected. I mean, this infection did not just fly and enter your body. You've been sleeping around. So will you just cut this your masculine ego and tell us what we need to know?
Eddie, are you cheating on your wife?
No. Mom, I'm not.
Do you have gonorrhea?
I don't have gonorrhea.
So why are you scratching? Why are both of you scratching?
Who doesn't scratch once in a while? This is a normal scratch, Mom.
Oh, please cut off the pretense. You and I know that what I'm saying is the truth.
You call this kind of scratch normal? If this is normal to you, it's very, very abnormal to me. Anyway, that's not the reason why I called both of you here. I called you here to know why she has not conceived. This is 2 years you got married. I should be carrying my grandchild by now.
Mom, ask him more. Ask Eddie, ask your son. He is the cause of our childlessness.
Be careful. Be careful. You cannot accuse me of our childlessness. Be careful.
Oh. Okay.
Stop. Mom, I'm fine. Mom, I'm fine. I don't have gonorrhea. It's just a normal scratch. Who doesn't scratch?
Okay.
Stop. Be careful. She's accusing me wrongly.
What kind of thing is this? Where are you going again now?
Hey, Mom, share your sin now. Are you not seeing your son? He got me infected and he will be lying about it. See the man scratching.
Is it that serious? You should be wearing trousers if you start feeling like that. Marakwa, oh. Even a quarter is not like this. A quarter for a time. Yay!
Hi, baby.
Hi.
Have you eaten? Come on, sit down. Come and join me. Come, let's eat together.
My love, I have eaten with the kids before they retire to bed.
Oh, that's true. Oh, you've eaten with the kids. How are they doing?
They refuse to go to bed without seeing their dad. It took me quite a while to cajole them and sing them to bed.
You know, the truth is, parenting is not easy. You know, I know what you're going through. But then, I'm also working hard for family.
Are you not supposed to be part of the parenting? Do you have to leave it for me all alone? These kids are missing you. They're missing their dad. Seriously.
Why are you sounding as if I've been a very bad father to my kids? And I also hope you don't go around creating some kind of ill fate before my kids to make them feel the same way you're sounding.
I understand you're doing this for us. Trying all your possible best to bring money home. I do. But at the same time, you need to create time for your children. They're missing you. You know, have time for them, play with them. You know, do one or two things with them. Is that too much to ask?
It's okay, man. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Okay, let's see what we'll do. Let me work on that. I'm going to create time for you and the kids. I'm going to create time for us to go to the best places in town, the choicest places that you all would want us to go to. Yes, just give me that time. I will make that this time for us.
I have heard this more than 1,000,000 times.
Can you please take this one?
But we have to make it work. We have to do something about it, not just saying it. We have to put it to work.
Alright, baby, it's okay, man. Listen, girl, listen. You know, we're family and no matter what happens, we'll stay together. I mean, I'm just trying to be the best father that I could. You know, all I've been doing is just to make the family move forward.
I would like to be with you after you finish your dinner.
I understand how you feel about this whole thing. I honestly do. But the truth of the matter is, I don't think sex at this point. I'll make it up to you, please.
Babe, you don't satisfy me. Why? You don't make love to me as you should. What is it? You deny me of sex. Yesterday. Oh, what is still keeping Austin? He's supposed to have been back by now. It's getting too late. Oh, God. My love, you're back. Welcome. Baby, what is it? Are you alright? Babe. Babe, are you okay? Is everything alright?
Do I look okay to you? Do I seem like I'm okay?
Babe, what about the contract you were supposed to sign with Eddie today? How did it go?
I and Eddie didn't sign any contract again.
How? Why?
We lost it.
Oh no. Baby, you mean you guys lost the contract after everything?
The meeting was scheduled for 9 a.m.
Yes?
I got there some minutes to 9. I started calling Eddie on the phone. I called Eddie timelessly. Eddie didn't show up. Do you know when Eddie showed up?
When?
4 hours later.
Oh my God.
By that time, the contract had been awarded to our counterpart.
Oh. No. Maybe I told you. You see why I told you to pursue this contract alone and leave Eddie? But you wouldn't listen to me. You're like, no, Eddie is my bosom friend, blah, blah, blah. Now, have you seen when it has landed you? Have you seen it?
Babe, you know what? I should have listened to you. I should have just listened to you when you said everything you said pertaining this contract.
You should have, baby. After all the fasting and prayers and night vigil, everything, midnight prayers, everything, baby.
Eddie.
Baby, please, next time, learn to listen to your wife. Be cool.
You know, if Eddie had just gone ahead to pick those calls and tell me this is what is happening, I mean, I would have replanned on something else. But he didn't pick the call until 4 hours later, and then he started making excuses of why he didn't show up early. Do you know how much is at stake?
Baby, I know.
Baby.
I know, it's okay.
Oh, God.
Please, it's okay. Don't stress yourself too much, okay? Please.
But at least, even if he was not ready to show up on time, he should have told me so that I would have a different plan entirely.
I know it's okay. It's okay. Okay?
Do you know how much is involved?
We just have to do better next time. It's okay. Okay? Let me go get you something to eat.
Stop, please stop. I am not in the right frame of mind for this. Please just stop.
Baby, I'm thinking sex will help you clear your sad mood.
Anything sex, cut me out of it, please.
Baby, please, just come to me. Let's do once. Just
but
once.
I expect that you understand me. I said I am not in the mood for this now. You got taboo Austin. Stop this.
Baby, are you not my own?
Can you please stop? Stop, please, stop. I'm not in the mood for this. Please.
Can't I talk one small?
It's okay. You don't want me to sleep, right?
I want you to sleep now after we don't do.
If you want me to sleep, you just stop this. I don't want this.
Let's do one first. One. Just one.
Baby, stop now. Stop this thing. I've told you I'm not in the right frame of mind. Imagine what happened to me today. And you want to tell me this evening. Stop.
And that is what I want to do. Just one.
Oh God, what kind of life is this now?
So you can come out from the sad mood.
So you got tam sad mood, is it?
Yes. The sad mood will disappear, baby.
Please, I don't want this. I
baby.
I don't want this. I don't want this. Baby. I need to sleep. Can't you see I'm not in the right frame of mind?
Baby.
What is it?
Just one. You know you can't leave me asleep like this now.
You can hold the pillow and sleep, or better still, tie the pillow. Please.
No, baby, come on. I want you. Give it to me.
Okay. You want it, right?
Yes.
Okay, hold on. It's okay.
Baby. Oh, baby, where are you going to?
It's obvious you want to be alone in the room, so I'll let you have the room. Go ahead and tie the bed, alright? You want the room, isn't it? Alright, go ahead, have the room. Tie the bed.
This is not fair. This is not fair. This is not fair.
What kind of woman is this? Every night sex. You don't even get tired. This is what you get when you marry a bad woman. I've always known I married a very bad woman. Everything is sex. Otapia. Make it a taboo one day. Anyway, you want to be alone, so just be in the room alone. Let me stay here.
Why are you always shying away from sex? Or is there something you're not telling me?
I don't understand. I mean, what are you trying to insinuate? Wait. Are you by chance trying to insinuate that I might be cheating on you?
I don't know what you want me to think. Your sex drive is low. That is my point. You barely ask me for sex. I have always been the one asking for it.
Well, that shows you're a very intelligent person. That shows you're mindful of things. I mean, can't you see that sex is not a top priority on my list? Can't you see I've been trying to build us an empire? Can't you see that for yourself?
Really? Empire indeed. You are making love to me tonight.
Neka, I don't want sex.
You will want it. I want it. So you must give it to me.
Can you just stop this whole thing? I mean, you're just being too dramatic.
Oh, so you're now calling me a dramatic wife?
Please, just calm your nerves. I mean, stop whining like a child. I mean, you act like a child, please. Just stop it, please. Stop it, please.
I am whining like a child simply because I ask you to make love to me. Is that it?
Why are you getting this whole thing twisted? Why?
This is unbelievable, honestly. I'm beginning to lose my mind. Seriously.
Can you please keep it low? You're gonna wake the kids.
Some questions are still begging for answers. It's either you are cheating on me or you are gay.
I beg your pardon? What? I beg your pardon. Is that how low you think of me? Wow.
Don't cry. Makonye parangwaruru singwere vyolili. Onye bara waruru simbara yorili. Eddie style.
What is this? Who must have hidden this thing in my cupboard? Is this not a local herb? Wait. Who must have hidden this thing in my cupboard if not Eddie? Wait. So Eddie has been the problem all this while. So Eddie was the one that got me infected. And yet, he couldn't own up to it. The pharmacist said it. He said it. So Eddie has been the reason we've not been able to procreate all this while. Oh God! No way! Mommy must hear this. Mommy must hear this. Oh, look at what I found hidden in the kitchen cupboard.
You got this in the house?
Yes.
Who brought it in the house?
Who else? Who else if not Eddie? Eddie must have been the one that brought this thing into this house to treat his infection. Maybe some girls out there have infected him and yet...
Remorse. Eddie brought this in the house?
Mom, it is very obvious he's the one.
What is wrong with my son? Why can't a man value an inestimable value like you? But I don't really blame him. People don't value what they have until they lose it. What is wrong with him?
Mom, what really annoys me is that my husband keeps sleeping with different girls. He jumps from one woman to another. He keeps jumping from one girl to the other. Mommy, tell me, what do these girls have that I don't have? Am I not beautiful? Am I not classy? What do they have that I don't have? Why is Eddie treating me like this? Mommy, it is very obvious. Can't you see? It is obvious that Eddie was the one that infected me. He was the one that gave me the infection I suffered from, and then I was scratching on the road like a mad person, embarrassing myself. Mommy, what have I not done? Mommy, just look at me. What have I not done? Over the years, I know that I have worked hard as a good woman. I have been a good wife to my husband. Mommy, tell me, what does Eddie want? What does he want? Now tell me, what do these guys have that I don't have? What do they have that I don't have? Am I not beautiful? Am I not classy?
Wow. You're beautiful, Eddie. You mean Eddie has been the one taking this herbal mixture in this house?
Yes!
And he has been lying to us. Come to think of it, and he has been lying in this house? God!
Men and their ego.
instead of you to own up to what he has done. He kept on lying and lying and lying. Lies upon lies. But there's no problem. It's fine. There is no problem at all, Mommy.
What do men want?
Mommy, there's no problem. It's fine.
They must always cheat. What do men want? What do men really want?
A man must cheat? Why? Look at the beautiful girl. Eddie will come back and meet me in this house. He's a man now. He'll come back and meet me here. Ah!
Eddie starts, you are going controlling. It wasn't me. You were cheating on me. It wasn't me. I got you with a girl. It wasn't me. I got you red-handed. It wasn't me. You were talking to them on the phone. It wasn't me. You were chasing after them. It wasn't me. Why doing this to me? Oh? It wasn't me. It wasn't me. One man's meat is another man's poison. What makes him happy is a different thing together. Share you feel him, share you see him. He's a different man. Ooh. He's a different man. This life no balance right.
Did I get married to the wrong man? Or the man I got married to is not the man meant for me? Mom was right all along. The time proposal was too sudden.
My name is Eddie. I couldn't take my eyes off you since I saw you in the banking hall. Please, can I have your number?
Sorry? What can I do for you, please?
I said my name is Eddie. What's your name?
Why should I talk to a stranger?
It doesn't take ages to get acquainted with someone. Please, I would like to have your number.
So, what do you do?
Well, I just got back and I'm a contractor.
Oh, a contractor.
Yes.
Oh, that's nice. So, how long have you been in the country?
6 months.
Oh, 6 months. Obviously, you just got back. Alright. That's fine.
So tell me about yourself.
Well, my name is Sharon Okuku, as you know. CEO, Sharon Tours and Travel. And I'm the only child of my parents, Justice Gregory Okuku.
So you are the daughter of that great son?
Oh, you know my father.
I mean, who doesn't? He's a great man in the country. We all know him. Wow.
Well, my parents actually wanted me to practice what I studied, but then I chose to do what I'm doing now, and I'm happy with it, but it doesn't sit well with them.
Okay.
Yeah.
You're beautiful and intelligent.
Thank you. Oh, thank you, Dad.
What?
What's that? I don't...
You see, truth be told, from the very first time I set my eyes on you, I can't even explain. I can't get you off my mind. And I've always had this dream to marry a beautiful and intelligent woman. I want to make you mine.
Why the rush? I mean, we barely know each other. We just met.
I'm scared another man might come and make me lose you. So the earlier the better.
Eddie, no. I mean, we need time to get to know each other. Marriage should not be what somebody should rush into.
Sharon, I do not have luxury of time.
Really?
Let's get the ball rolling.
I cannot comprehend this sudden proposal. I mean, it came so sudden. How can I marry a man that I barely know? Oh God. I do not want to gamble with my emotions. I don't want to rush in and rush out of marriage. Mom even feels like this whole thing is so sudden too. Lord, is Eddie the right man for me? Is he really the right man for me? I don't know.
Finally, I'm so happy. I'm happy that we are finally Mr. and Mrs.
Yes, baby. You can say that again. I mean, we are the latest couple in town.
You know?
Baby.
Have I told you that you are my world best?
You are my forever.
Thank you for saying yes, I do to me.
You're welcome. I love you, baby.
Love you more.
So, why don't you take me upstairs and do the needle?
wedding night was one night that I cannot forget in my life. A night filled with so much memories. Made sweet love. We were wrapped up in each other's arms. We promised each other forever. And we promised to grow 3 years together. Oh, Eddie. Eddie, what happened to you? Why did you change so much? What happened to the sweet, loving husband that I got married to? It's fine. There's no problem. Go and come back. I'm right here waiting for you. You have so much to explain to me.
Let's get down to business. Like this thing is already anything funny. So what's up?
Sorry, they call me your sugar, yes, baby. Ha.
Oh, my sugar banana. My lonely pop. You're not looking like a POS. Okay, listen, I'm hard. So let me just enjoy your honey pot, huh?
You have your way to my body. Eh?
Now, why are we here? Stop behaving like a baby.
No, wait. Why did you lie to me that you're not married?
Ha! Did you see any wedding ring on my hand? You see any wedding ring here?
Eugenia. Wanye. Hey! Our business is doing well, oh. Huh? You even have a 2 POS.
What sense to age you?
What's age? Age? That handsome rich man?
Yes, now. You know, I used to give it to him, front and back. Sometimes I go from up, like I ride him like a bike.
Okay.
You know, a handsome guy that pays handsomely.
Hey, Wanye. Huh? Did he tell you that he's married? Wanye?
He confidently told me that he's not married. And he asked me if I've ever seen a wedding ring on his hand. And no, not much.
Hello. Good evening. How much do you want? I want 50,000.
5,000.
Sorry? Why? That's too much.
Is the scarcity of money. 1,000 is 3,000.
I mean, that charges is actually much, but then you can just withdraw and then take the charges. 50,000, yeah? The show is complete. I don't have time to do all of this. Yeah. Alright, thank you.
Thank you, man. Nice.
Do you know you have been sleeping with this woman's husband? How was the one you have been vacation? This woman's husband. That beautiful woman that just left now. You mean that beautiful woman is Eddie's wife? Eddie told him he's not married. This woman is thinking rich. Hey, do you know that this woman is the CEO of Sharon Travels and Tours? Which one is Sharon Travels and Tours? She helps people to get this background travel to Budoi. Hey. You mean that beautiful woman helps people to do visa to travel over Budoi? Wait, why would Eddie have that kind of beautiful woman going into town and do perform with those girls? Yeah. Obona make one hack. Same as they didn't want. Yeah? You don't know? Anything inside skate goes for him. Woohoo! Oh, now that's your carrier.
Why will you be cheating on that beautiful woman?
Thou shalt not judge. It's in the Bible. Stop judging me. Eh? Relax, okay?
No, sorry, I don't sleep with married men.
Eh?
I don't sleep with sugar daddies.
Sugar daddy? Where did sugar daddy mean? Sugar daddy how?
We are married now.
You don't sleep with married men? But I established business for you. I gave you money, you collected.
Hey, I don't know that you are married then.
Enough of this drama. Give me what I want, I beg.
My son is not yet back. I wonder what is still keeping him in the office.
Mom,
Listen.
I can no longer take this whole madness from Eddie anymore. It is choking me. I have had it up to here. It is choking me.
Honestly, I don't know why my son is behaving this way. I don't even know if he knows what he's doing to himself. I don't know why he's so irrational.
Mom, you know what I think?
No.
I am very certain that Eddie is wrapped up in the hands of one side chick out there having fun. Why Eddie is bent on destroying this marriage is what I don't have answers to.
You have to calm down. This is not the boy we raised. We didn't bring him up this way.
Okay?
At times I wonder what he's doing. I don't even know if you understand what he's doing to himself.
Oh.
We didn't raise him this way. And I'm sure my husband, my late husband in his grave, will be turning in that grave because this is not the man he wants to see. This is not the boy we raised. You have to calm down, Sharon, please.
Calm down, Mom.
Yes.
You're asking me to calm down. My husband is not back from the office as usual. And you're asking me to calm down. How am I supposed to calm down, Mom? Tell me how am I supposed to calm down?
Shut up, please. Calm down, my dear. Men are all like this. You have to calm down. He will change. I promise you that my son will change.
It is choking me.
I know.
It's choking me.
Please, my sweetheart, please.
It's choking me.
Sweetie, don't lose it.
I'm tired.
He will change, trust me. Give him a little time.
I'm tired, Mom.
A little more time, my dear. He will change. Men are just like that. Okay. You will be fine.
Baby, it is sweet like POS. See, let's just do one more. Okay? One last one.
No, I'm tired now.
We have done enough now. Aren't you tired?
I'm not tired. Let me just do it. We'll cap them up with one more now.
No. I want to go back to my business. My customers are waiting.
Forget about your customers. Listen, I'll give you extra money for your time. 50,000 naira.
Yeah, I've done to already. I want to do more. No.
It's not like I want to do more. The doctor said we should be doing this thing constantly to avoid post-rate in the future. Are you getting me? So we need to throw away things. Let's just do one more.
Oh.
See, I'll give you 50,000 naira for your time. Extra. 50,000 naira extra.
Are you sure?
No.
Ha! Let's go there.
Let's go there. I like the sound of it. Hey, that girl is very sweet. Oh, she's the sweetest among them all. The reason I opened the POS business for her. I wouldn't have supported her if not that she started complaining of abandoning her business. I still want to do this thing. Omo, Yoruba, Sekira. How come I forgot her? I need to see her at once. Maybe she will finish what Ikeria stopped halfway. I heard that Yoruba girls are the best. No, it's actually Calabar girls. All these things that I'm doing. I have vehemently refused to experience Calabar girls again after my last experience. Eddie Mondo Ajano. Hi. I need to see Sekira.
Kechi go come, you chop. Uche go come, you chop. Echino go come, you chop. Kesaya go come, you chop. Ekente go come, you chop. If you Yoruba woman, you chop. Wahala, wahala. This na wahala.
Mom, hope you're seeing what Eddie is doing. What? I've been calling him and he's been refusing to take my calls. I've been calling him, he's not taking my calls.
I am also calling him, he's not picking up. The same thing.
Eddie will go out and come back to this house and lie about his whereabouts. Because that is what he knows how to do. He will lie about his whereabouts. Lies upon lies. That is what Eddie does.
But the question is, how are we sure that he's safe where he is? Have you thought of that? If he's safe where he is?
Absolutely, Mom. He is. Eddie is safe. I am sure that my husband is out there with some girls having fun.
No. How? I wonder how the boy I raised in a Christian way could suddenly deviate from the path of Christ to become what? It's not possible for him to just deviate like that with the word of God in his veins. No, it's not possible. The devil is a liar.
I'm sorry, Mom, but it is very obvious that Eddie has deviated. He is now big into humanizing. That is what my husband does these days.
I will not believe that. Do you know that I raised Eddie from his infant stage to where he is with the scripture? He grew in the church. So it is not possible that the devil will divert him like that into what I don't understand. How did he come about adultery? Where did he learn it from? No, the devil is a liar. That's not my son.
Mom, I thought Eddie was different, honestly. I thought that my husband was different. But he has made me believe that all men are the same.
My son is not the same. Eddie is not like other men. He is not, he will not, and shall never be. My son is a Christian. The Lord will withdraw him back. In fact, he will be retrieved. Just be patient. He will change. Okay? He's deeply rooted in the Bible. Devil, you're a liar.
Oh, ọkọ mi.
Eddie.
Ọkọ mi.
Eddie, baby.
Ọkọ mi.
My eyes they told me.
Your eyes they told you.
Hey!
Oh, the eye. You're going under.
Eddie, baby.
Hey.
Eddie, baby.
Eh?
My eyes they
They do you.
They do rather.
Run. I want to lift you guys at this bed. If you shake back small, I will look at you. Shake back small. Oh,
Eddie. Eddie, baby.
Hey. You do you too, boy?
You don't.
I want to come back again now. Big size, just small size. Never talk. I dey come.
Eddie, baby.
Don't worry. Aha!
Hey.
Oh. Mom.
Hey, where are you coming from?
Good night, ma. Sorry, good morning. Good evening, ma.
Where are you coming from, Edwin?
Baby.
Edwin.
Mom, I'm coming from...
From where?
I hope all is sure. Why are you people here?
What is wrong with you? Why can't you appreciate this beautiful woman God blessed you with? What happened to my son? What happened to my son that used to love the Bible? My son that used to love going to church? My son that fears God? What happened to my son?
I'm still that same son, Mom.
What is wrong with you?
I'm sorry.
Don't touch me.
I said I'm sorry. Mom, what's wrong with my wife? Did anybody... Excuse me, let me beg my wife. Baby!
Hey!
Baby, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, okay?
I'm sorry. What are you sorry about? You're sorry that you go and meet out sleeping with those dirty girls. Is that what you're sorry for?
Maybe it's not what you think. I can't indulge in such.
How long will you continue to live in that, Eddie? Tell me.
I'm not lying.
Why? You are lying. You are lying, Eddie. I thought that I got married to a responsible man. A man that converted me into attending the same church with him, and yet I have no problem with it. I watched and I fell in love with the way you love God so much. You went about preaching the gospel. So how come? How come you are doing something that you preach against? Why?
not a womanizer, if that is what you mean.
You are. Eddie, I am telling you that you are. It's been 2 years. 2 years of marriage, and there is nothing to show for it. And the man that I call my husband is not bothered at all.
Why should I be bothered? God's time is the best. Moreover, we've been married for just 2 years.
Can you hear yourself speak? No. Can you listen to yourself? 2 years is what we call just. 2 years of marriage, not maybe to blow my family. You know what? I think living your life is the best thing that happened to me. I'm telling you.
Babe, please. You can't leave me. You are the best thing that has ever happened in my life. Without kids, and I love you.
Oh, really? Yes. Oh, please don't tell me that nonsense. Don't ever say that to me again. You feel nothing for me. You don't love me. How can you say you love me? You love me and then you go out sleeping with dirty girls. You know, it's not your fault. It's my fault. Maybe I was the one that made a mistake getting married to you, and I admit totally. Okay? It is my fault. I'm done with this thing. I'm fucking tomorrow morning I'm leaving this house. Get it up! Nonsense.
Baby, if you can't walk away, please.
Now, Kasara, don't bust. Don't cry. Makonye parangwaruru singwere yolili. Onye parangwaruru singwere yolili.
See, I've had it all. Up here with you. I can't do this anymore. Don't you understand? Excuse me.
Please, I'm not a changed person. It will never happen again. I'm sorry.
Maybe you're not understanding what I'm saying. What I'm trying to say is that I am done with this sham called marriage. I'm not interested. I don't want to do anything.
I don't want you to go. Please. My life will be empty if you leave. I'm sorry.
Oh,
please.
Really? You think that your life will be like this? Well, what do you men really want? I'm asking, what do you want? I've tried my best to be a good wife to you. But what do I get? Cheating and lies. You infected me with STD, you gave me gonorrhea, you gave me all manner of diseases. See, if you touch me,
you can't leave me.
If you touch me again, you know what I will do to you. Leave! Leave!
Young man, this car, you know wash.
No, sir, your work.
This car, you know wash and clean. Only your work. Me, my work.
Not your work.
Are you not be military?
I know they get it, man.
Clement!
What?
Open the gate for me.
You have to calm down, eh? If you have to calm down.
How do you bring my bag for me? Bring that bag with you. Clement! Okay, put this thing inside the boot.
Sorry.
Bring my bag.
We can resolve this.
Bring it now.
We can talk about this. We can resolve it.
Mom, there's nothing to talk about, honestly speaking. Mom, what are we solving? Your son wants to drive me crazy. Let me ask you a simple question. Did you even consider us before you started frolicking with all those girls? Give me a simple answer. Okay, now you're mute. You don't know what to say. Mom, can you see your son? He doesn't know what to say. Madam, give me his bag.
Please don't go.
Give me my bag.
Please don't go.
Mama, put this inside the food and let me leave this place.
Okay, ma. Sorry, ma.
I don't want you to go, please. Go. Mommy. I don't want to go.
this whole thing doesn't sound good. I mean, how could you say that Sharon left the house?
Please, I want you to beg your friend to go and bring my daughter-in-law back.
Mom, why are you sounding as if though Eddie here is the reason Sharon left the house?
Yes, he's the reason why she left the house. When my son cannot put his two left legs together and marry his wife and stop sleeping with these dirty things around. That's why she left.
Mom, you just have to calm down. Calm down.
Don't tell me to calm down. Don't tell me to calm down. You and your husband should tell my son to go and bring my daughter-in-law back. Else you will not like what I'll do in this house. I'm giving you 48 hours, Eddie, to bring that girl back. 48 hours.
Mommy, Sharon is my friend. I promise to talk to her and ask her to return back to her marriage. I'm sure she will listen to me.
Eddie, I'm giving you only 2 days.
Eddie, at least talk to us.
I have told Eddie several times. I've cautioned him. He needs to be careful. Else, this ill lifestyle of his will end up tearing him and Sharon apart. I don't like this.
Where did she leave?
Well, Eddie, you've not said anything since we got into this place. I mean, so many drama has happened here and you have blatantly refused to say anything. Can you begin to talk at least now that your mom is not here? What really happened?
Yes. Talk to us.
Eddie? Okay, well, since you're not in the mood to talk to me or us here, I would have to take my leave with my wife. Probably when you decide to speak to someone, just call my phone. I'll be available for you to talk. Honey?
Let's go.
Let's leave. Alright, Eddie, have a great day.
Eddie, stop. You are going contrary. It wasn't me. You were cheating on me.
Well, such is life. Some people don't know the value of what they've got at home until they lose it. Some people sing at me and tell me and call me names. 1 minute man, 1 minute man. And yet, the 1 minute man is a dedicated man who is loving and caring for his family. Whereas those who are fire brigade, who are workaholics, left their marriages to suffer.
I just hope you're not referring to me indirectly. Besides, how are you sure Sharon left because of this incident?
Do you have the ears? Didn't you hear the mother say it herself? That she left because of Eddie's infidelity.
Don't forget his father is an old woman. They like to spin white tails.
Oh, white tails indeed.
Yes.
I know you say that. Well, don't forget Eddie is my very good friend. I know him in and out. I know his deal with the dirty women around.
You can do it.
Yes, that's true. Well, at least I'm still better than some people.
No, you're not, my darling. You're worse. A man who cannot satisfy his woman in bed is better off dead.
Say that again?
I said he is better off dead. For real.
I don't want to look off it on you, but the truth of the matter is you must watch what you say.
Listen, I want you to take me to cloud nine, okay? Make love to me. I am your wife. Seriously. Have you heard the way Eddie rides wild, like a wild hawk? They need to deform me.
Okay, well, after much of the devouring and the awilo that he knows how to dance, what's the state of his marriage? How is his home? Does that make him stay in the marriage? Sex is not everything in the marriage. There are still better things to focus on.
To me, sex is number one. Every other thing can follow. But this sex? Oh my God, sex is everything.
Well, thank God I'm a gentleman. Otherwise, I would have dropped you on the way, then you take out that car.
Oh, you wouldn't dare.
Because you know I'm a good man.
You wouldn't dare eat.
You should be grateful I don't cheat. I have other problems. Pick up. Editor, pick up.
you should be grateful that I don't cheat. I have other challenges in marriage, but that doesn't make me a less of a responsible husband that I am. So many men who have good homes and beautiful wives still go around to mess around, but I've never cheated on you even for once. And I'm proud to say that I don't cheat.
No better. No better.
The silence between Sharon and I is killing me gradually. I married a good wife, but I'm gradually losing her due to my cheating lifestyle.
And you're still sitting here doing nothing about it. You are still sitting here, not going out there, making any effort to bring my daughter-in-law back.
Mom, let me think. Let me think.
Think what? What have you been thinking about? It's been few days now she left this house. You've not done anything to bring her back.
Well, if you must know, her number is not connected.
Then go and look for her. Stop telling me all these cock and bull stories. You know where to get her.
Mom.
If you don't bring her back, you not have peace in this house. Oh.
Serious?
Yes, you not have peace in this house.
I won't have peace.
Eh?
Enjoy the house.
You will not have peace, oh, Eddie. You will not have peace in this house. Oh, okay, you're taking your car key to go out.
Enjoy the house.
Where are you going?
No, enjoy the house.
No, you come back and meet me in this house. You will come back and meet me in this house. Igachi Abeba will meet me in this house. You surely come back here and meet me. What is wrong with you? Ha!
I am troubled. I need to find a way and bring back Sharon, my wife, so I can have peace at home. Family wahala. My family working on there. Things are shaking.
Agedi, good afternoon.
Things are shaking.
Agedi, good afternoon.
Things are shaking. That's the natural hair with you.
Yes, sir.
Natural.
Yes, sir. Ha. Don't wait for that.
How you think you know my name? You know me?
Yes, sir. Don't you know me? I'm Virginia's friend.
Oh, the POS girl.
The background, yes.
What's your name, man?
I'm from Kezaya. My name is Kezaya.
Kezaya?
Abakaliki.
No wonder. You sound like Abakaliki.
Background.
So Kezaya, more Abakaliki. Kezaya. Things are shaking. 360, let me see.
Oh.
Carry Hey! If work is on Bob. Okay, don't think I'm lying. You see this already? I go buy and finish. If I want 1,000, I go pay 5,000. Take it. Beat it.
I will give it to you. Yes, sir. Go play, sorry. Mama, Itoyale, Uprok Manange, Gatoyo Bamanange, Gatoyala Putak Manange. Anywhere you want it and anyhow you want it, I will give it to you. I will give it to you more than Eugenia.
I don't hear that one. You sound like it is sweet.
Yeah. Woo, back I have four.
Things are shaking. Things are shaking.
Yeah.
Sugar get no more. You don't get a choice here. Any size here, you get chop more. Cooling my temper, baby boy. Cooling my temper, I'm on heat here. Cooling my temper, baby boy. I'm on heat here. Pleasure before business here, so we go to your head here. He's on heat here.
My baby, the orange girl. See. You give me these 2 oranges.
Ah.
Yeah, This are shaking. This are shaking.
I thought you said I should give you orange. Not orange with you. My orange is 350 naira.
No, that one is ordinary orange now. I'm not orange in the car. I'm not talking about CD man orange yet.
This one is not orange now. This one is not orange. This one is called breast.
Well, I know anything that is round is orange.
Apple.
Okay, apple.
Yes. I will give you 6 rands.
6 rands?
Yes, sir.
Is it my birthday?
Even man done.
6 rands for me.
Man, hey. Which one are we going doggy style?
From Antono. We have things and things.
Hey! Give him the ball now. Give him the ball. Give him the ball. Yes, take it. Yeah! Good one. Oh, give him the ball. Pass the ball now. Pass the ball to him. Pass the ball to this guy. Yes, good.
This is all what he knows how to do. Go to the office, come back in the night to watch football.
Neka, can't you see I'm watching European League? What's the meaning of this thing?
Do you do any other thing in this house aside sitting and watching football?
You're asking me a question. What else do I do in this house apart from sitting and watching football? Well, in case you have forgotten, football is beyond a hobby for me. As a matter of fact, the last time I checked, football is part of my life.
Oh, really? Football is your life and your hobby. Okay, Austin, what else?
What do you mean?
No, tell me what else!
No, you need to ask, what do you mean? Please, I am not in the mood for this fight because it's obvious you want to start up something this afternoon. So just leave my view. Let me continue with the football I was seeing before you stepped into this place.
No way. I'm not going anywhere.
Neka, you are looking for my trouble.
I'm not.
Neka, you are looking for my trouble.
I'm not.
What do you want?
Exactly. Now you're attacking my darling. You know, I want you to make sweet, sweet love to me.
So apart from sex, there's nothing else you could talk about? Apart from sex, is there nothing you can talk about? Every time sex. Which one is sex again? Which one is sex? Love making. Is it love making we do in this marriage?
My darling, sex is good. You can make love to your wife anywhere, anytime, any day.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm.
Well, sorry to disappoint you. I am not in the mood.
Oh my darling, you don't have to worry yourself. I'm going to put you right in the mood.
Neka, just stop what you're doing. I am not in the mood.
Seriously, baby. See, I'm going to put you in the mood, Joe. My darling.
You are sitting on my Jojo Loco. Stop it.
Come on, baby.
You are playing with my John Joloko. I'm not in the mood for this.
I will drag it more, baby.
Nega, you're sitting on my John Joloko. Can you stop this?
I'm going to roll it. I'm going to drag it more.
Let me ask you, of what use is it that after doing this, you will still complain?
Baby, that is the point. The point is for you to make me feel like a rare woman.
Nega, that's my John Joloko you're sitting on. Nega, stop grinding yourself on my John Joloko. Stop grinding yourself on my John Joloko.
Baby, listen. I'm not going to leave you alone, okay? So stop complaining. So,
Nega, get
my darling, listen, stop complaining.
Get up from my John Joloko.
Yes.
I am not in the mood.
Stop! You said you are not in the mood, right?
Yes, I said so.
Then let me put you right in the mood. Give it a minute. You will be in the mood.
I said I'm not in the mood for this. Nega, I'm not.
I can feel it. Okay. Up. Let's go. Baby, let's go. Come on, give it to me. Come on. Come on.
I am tired. Calm down. Calm down. I am tired. He kept warm.
What is it now?
He kept warm. I'm tired.
But you said you can give me up to 6 rounds now.
You don't come.
I've not come.
You don't get tired at all. You don't come.
I've not come. Now remain small. I will come.
No, your strength is too much. No.
But you said you were going to give me 6 rounds now.
I don't know. Your strength is like this, so I am tired.
Please now. Let's do one more. Forget this. Let's do 5 first.
You are not sweet. You are not even sweet.
Oh. What happened?
Okuku is sweeter than you.
Oh. Who is Okuku?
Okuku is my customer.
So you give it to your customers?
I give it to my customers. Okuku, the roadside mechanic. Barnabas, the road safety. And Sunday, carpenter. I give it to them.
You are giving everybody?
I give it to them. I give it to my customers, all of them. This thing is called Watamejibi. If you do me good, I do you good.
Hey, we are plenty. Thank you very much. You don't try. But let's do one more, last one.
No, keep warm.
No, we've done 5 rounds, I know. You don't try. But you see, 5 is not a good number. Let's make it 6. 6 is half dozen. The number is perfect. See, so just one last one.
I'm not doing again. You have 10% strength. So
now God, now is a gift from God.
You don't come. I'm not doing again. Tell me head.
It's the last one now.
Tell me head.
Okay, see, don't worry. I'll give you extra 40,000. In fact, I'll make it 60,000. I'll give you 60,000 cash. You say you want to buy new phone. I'll give you 60,000 cash. And let's do one more last one.
Okay.
Hey, now you're talking. Just one last one. So that will make it 6.
This place will be hot. No problem.
I want to show you new style.
Another style. Another style like this.
Did you tell this local fowl that you're not married?
I never said that.
What's you? Why you dey lie like this? Why you go just stay dey lie? He tell me say he no get wife.
Lies.
Mommy, can you see? No, can you see what your son is doing to me? See the way Eddie is disgracing me. Just look at.
Odin, how can you sit there and watch these things insult your wife?